Toothpaste is one of those everyday products we barely think about. We grab a tube, squeeze it on the brush, and assume it's keeping our teeth clean and our breath fresh. But what most people don't know is that many popular toothpaste brands are packed with harsh chemicals, artificial colors, cheap foaming agents, and ingredients that can actually harm your enamel, irritate your gums, or even disrupt your hormones. And because we use toothpaste twice a day, every single day, these ingredients build up in the body far more than we realize. Behind the shiny packaging and bold promises of whitening, fresh breath, and extra protection, some toothpastes are quietly loaded with problem ingredients like sodium lauryl sulfate, triclosan, titanium dioxide, and artificial dyes. Some formulas are so abrasive that they can damage enamel, while others contain unnecessary additives that can trigger sensitivity, mouth ulcers, or long-term irritation. So today we're breaking down the toothpaste brands you should avoid at all costs. And it's not just about cavities, it's about protecting your long-term health. Let's get into the list. 1. Crest Complete Whitening Plus Scope. Crest Complete Whitening Plus Scope is one of the most heavily marketed toothpaste options on the shelves. The bright green packaging, the promise of whitening, and the added freshness of scope make it look like a perfect all-in-one solution. But behind that pleasant, minty blast lies a long list of ingredients that dental experts and health researchers warn against. First, let's talk about sodium lauryl sulfate, SLS, one of the biggest problems in this formula. SLS is a harsh foaming agent added to create that satisfying lather, but it can irritate the soft tissues inside your mouth. Many people who use SLS-based toothpaste experience frequent mouth ulcers, sensitivity, and gum irritation without even realizing that their toothpaste is the cause. For people with sensitive mouths, this ingredient alone is reason enough to avoid Crest Complete. Next, the whitening formula includes hydrated silica, which is extremely abrasive. While it can remove surface stains, it also wears down enamel over time. Enamel does not grow back, so once it starts thinning, teeth become permanently sensitive. Using abrasive toothpaste daily accelerates enamel erosion, making your teeth more vulnerable to cavities and pain. Then there are the artificial dyes, including the controversial Blue One Lake, which is added purely for color appeal. Artificial dyes have no dental benefit and are linked to allergic reactions, hyperactivity in children, and skin irritation for sensitive individuals. In a product used twice a day, these unnecessary additives don't belong anywhere near your mouth. Crest Complete Whitening Plus Scope also includes flavor, a vague term that can legally hide dozens of synthetic chemicals, many of which are not disclosed to consumers. And of course, there's the signature Scope Freshness, which comes from alcohol-based ingredients that can dry out your mouth. A dry mouth may smell fresh for the moment, but long-term dryness actually increases bacteria growth, leading to worse breath over time. Finally, this toothpaste uses titanium dioxide, a whitening pigment recently scrutinized for its potential risks when absorbed in the mouth. Some countries have already banned it from food products due to safety concerns. While its absorption level in toothpaste is debated, many experts agree that daily exposure is unnecessary and avoidable. Overall, Crest Complete Whitening Plus Scope is a product that looks good on the outside, but brings a long list of red flags on the inside: harsh chemicals, abrasives, synthetic dyes, and drying agents. If you want healthy teeth and gums long-term, this is one toothpaste that should stay off your bathroom counter. 2. Colgate Max Fresh with Cooling Crystals. Colgate Max Fresh with Cooling Crystals is one of the flashiest, most aggressively marketed toothpastes on the shelves. The bright packaging, the promise of icy freshness, and the glittery cooling crystals inside the gel make it look fun, powerful, and refreshing. But if you look past the shiny appearance, this toothpaste is loaded with ingredients that can do far more harm than good over time. The biggest issue lies in those cooling crystals. They're not natural and they're not harmless. These crystals are made from synthetic flavor enhancers, artificial colors, and cooling agents that create a strong minty blast, but can seriously irritate the inside of your mouth. Many users report burning sensations, gum sensitivity, and dryness after using Max Fresh, signs that the formula is far too harsh. Another huge red flag is the presence of sodium lauryl sulfate, SLS, a foaming agent known for causing mouth irritation and canker sores. SLS strips away protective layers inside the mouth, leaving the gums more vulnerable to inflammation and breakdown. People who frequently get mouth ulcers often notice they disappear when they stop using SLS-based toothpaste, which is exactly why Colgate Max Fresh is a problem. The toothpaste also contains hydrated silica, an abrasive that scrubs surface stains but can also wear down enamel over time. Used occasionally, abrasives are fine, but twice a day, every day, is a recipe for long-term sensitivity and a weakened enamel layer. Once enamel is gone, it's gone forever. Then we have the artificial dyes, Blue 1, Blue 3, and sometimes even additional coloring agents depending on the region. These dyes serve zero dental purpose. They're only added to make the toothpaste look cool. Studies have linked certain dyes to allergies and hyperactivity concerns, making their presence in something you put in your mouth twice daily unnecessary and risky. Colgate Max Fresh also includes propylene glycol, a chemical used in antifreeze and industrial applications. While allowed in small amounts, it can still irritate sensitive tissues and is considered a questionable ingredient in daily personal care products. And let's not forget the intense artificial flavoring designed to give that extra punch of mint. While it feels strong and refreshing, these synthetic flavors often hide the taste of low-quality chemicals underneath and can dry out the mouth, encouraging bacteria growth and worsening bad breath over time. Simply put, Colgate Max Fresh with cooling crystals is more a chemical cocktail than a health product, loaded with dyes, harsh foaming agents, abrasives, and synthetic additives. The cooling sensation may feel exciting, but it comes at the cost of your enamel and your gum health. 3. Aim Cavity Protection Toothpaste. Aim Cavity Protection is one of those old-school bargain-priced toothpastes that many people grab without thinking. It's cheap, it's available everywhere, and the packaging makes it look simple and harmless. But once you dig into what's actually inside this toothpaste, you'll realize why so many dentists warn against using it long-term. Aim's low price comes at the cost of extremely low-quality ingredients and potentially irritating additives. The first major issue is the presence of sodium lauryl sulfate, SLS, one of the harshest foaming agents used in personal care products. SLS is known for causing mouth irritation, enamel sensitivity, and recurring canker sores. Many users experience frequent mouth ulcers without ever realizing their toothpaste is to blame. Toothpaste doesn't need to foam to clean effectively, but cheap formulas rely on SLS because it creates the illusion of deep cleaning. Aim also uses artificial sweeteners, particularly saccharin, which is added to mask the unpleasant taste of chemical ingredients. While these sweeteners are technically safe, they can still cause stomach sensitivities and serve no real purpose in oral health. They exist purely to cover up the taste of cheap, low-quality ingredients. Another major concern is hydrated silica, an abrasive polishing agent found in most whitening toothpastes. But in Aim's case, the abrasive level is far too high for everyday use. Over time, these abrasives can scrape away enamel, making your teeth more sensitive to hot, cold, and sugar. Once enamel is worn down, it never grows back, meaning damage from abrasive toothpaste is permanent. Aim also contains FD and C artificial dyes, especially Blue 1, added only for color appeal. These dyes offer zero dental benefit and have been linked to allergic reactions, hyperactivity in children, and skin irritations. Finally, Aim often contains flavor additives and preservatives that can irritate sensitive gums and dry out your mouth. A dry mouth increases bacteria activity and leads to more bad breath, the exact opposite of what you want from toothpaste. Overall, Aim Cavity Protection is one of the weakest, most outdated toothpaste options on the market. Cheap ingredients, harsh foaming agents, unnecessary dyes, and enamel-damaging abrasives make it a brand you should absolutely avoid. 4. Aquafresh Triple Protection Toothpaste. Aquafresh Triple Protection is known for its eye-catching red, white, and blue stripes, and its promise to deliver cavity protection, fresh breath, and strengthening benefits all in one. But behind that iconic look, this toothpaste contains several ingredients that make it far less healthy than it appears. Many people choose Aquafresh because it looks fun and family-friendly, but the formula is packed with chemicals that may not be ideal for long-term daily use. The first red flag is the heavy reliance on sodium lauryl sulfate, SLS, one of the most aggressive foaming agents used in toothpaste. SLS can irritate sensitive mouths, trigger recurring canker sores, and strip the inside of your mouth of natural protective layers. This can lead to gum tenderness, burning sensations, or dryness after brushing. For people with mouth sensitivity, SLS is a major issue, and Aquafresh uses a substantial amount of it. Another problem is the presence of titanium dioxide, a whitening pigment that gives the toothpaste its bright, clean look. While it's added purely for visual appeal, it has sparked growing safety concerns in recent years. Some countries have already banned titanium dioxide in food due to potential health risks. And although toothpaste is not swallowed, repeated exposure inside the mouth raises questions many consumers simply don't want to risk. Aquafresh also contains artificial dyes, including Blue 1 and Red 33, to create its signature stripes. These dyes add no dental benefit and are linked to allergic reactions and sensitivities in certain individuals. Having colorful toothpaste may look appealing, but it's unnecessary and introduces more synthetic chemicals into your daily routine. The formula also includes abrasive polishing agents that, while good for scrubbing surface stains, can wear away enamel if used daily. Once enamel thins, teeth become permanently sensitive and more prone to decay. A toothpaste meant for everyday use shouldn't rely on aggressive abrasives. Another concern is the strong use of artificial flavors designed to mimic freshness. These can sometimes cause dryness or irritation, which may lead to even worse breath due to reduced saliva flow. Saliva is your mouth's natural defense system, and anything that disrupts it can be counterproductive. Finally, Aquafresh doesn't offer the same level of gum support or enamel-strengthening ingredients found in higher quality toothpastes. It focuses heavily on appearance and foaming rather than protective dentist-recommended components. For a product used twice daily, Aquafresh Triple Protection introduces far too many unnecessary additives, dyes, harsh foaming agents, pigments, and abrasives, and far too little genuine oral health support. 5. Close-Up Red Gel Toothpaste. Close-Up Red Gel is one of the most recognizable toothpastes in the world, especially in regions where it's marketed as a freshness booster rather than a true oral care product. It's flashy, bright red, sweet, and strongly minty, all designed to create the feeling of instant freshness. But when you look past the marketing, Close-Up Red Gel is one of the weakest options for anyone who actually cares about long-term oral health. The first major concern is the extremely high amount of artificial dyes, especially Red 33 and Red 40. These dyes are purely cosmetic, offering no dental benefits whatsoever. In fact, they can irritate sensitive mouths, trigger allergic reactions in certain individuals, and have been called into question in several health reports due to their link to hyperactivity and sensitivities. A toothpaste used twice daily should not rely heavily on coloring chemicals, yet Close-Up does exactly that. Another problem is its sugary, syrup-like base, which is far sweeter than most toothpastes, and not in a good way. Close-Up uses synthetic sweeteners and flavor enhancers to create that signature candy-like taste. This may make brushing feel pleasant, but it comes at a cost. That sweetness often comes from ingredients that feed bad bacteria in the mouth, working against the goal of preventing cavities and reducing plaque. A toothpaste that encourages bacterial growth is basically defeating its own purpose. Close-Up also contains sodium lauryl sulfate, SLS, one of the harshest foaming agents used in personal care products. SLS is known to strip the mouth's mucosal lining, causing dryness, irritation, or painful canker sores. Many people who experience recurring mouth ulcers notice improvements when they switch to SLS-free toothpaste, which says a lot about how irritating this ingredient can be. However, real freshness comes from reducing harmful bacteria, not masking odors with perfume-like additives. After the flavor fades, many users notice their breath returning to normal quickly because the toothpaste doesn't address the root cause. 6. Arm & Hammer Advanced White Toothpaste. Arm & Hammer Advanced White is one of the most aggressively marketed whitening toothpastes, especially known for using baking soda as its star ingredient. At first glance, it seems like a simple, natural, old-school formula. After all, baking soda has been used for oral cleaning for decades. But when you look closely at what's actually inside the tube, you'll see that this toothpaste brings several red flags that make it far less natural and far less safe than it appears. The first concern is its extreme abrasiveness. Arm & Hammer often promotes baking soda as a gentle cleaner, but in reality, the advanced white formula includes a combination of abrasive agents designed to scrub stains off your enamel. Over time, this can wear down the enamel layer, thinning it and making your teeth more sensitive. Once enamel erodes, it doesn't grow back, meaning the damage is permanent. Many dentists warn that daily use of harsh whitening pastes like this can accelerate long-term sensitivity issues. Another issue is the inclusion of sodium lauryl sulfate, SLS, a harsh foaming chemical known to irritate gum tissue and trigger mouth ulcers. People who experience recurring canker sores often see relief when they stop using SLS-containing toothpaste, which speaks volumes about how irritating this ingredient can be. Another disadvantage is that this toothpaste lacks modern remineralization ingredients. Unlike newer formulas that include nanohydroxyapatite or enhanced calcium complexes to strengthen enamel. Arm & Hammer Advanced White primarily focuses on whitening rather than rebuilding or protecting enamel. This leaves teeth more vulnerable over time. Overall, Arm & Hammer Advanced White might make your teeth look whiter temporarily, but it comes at the cost of enamel strength, gum comfort, and long-term oral health. A whitening toothpaste shouldn't cause more harm than good, and this one definitely crosses that line. 7. Pepsodent Original Toothpaste. Pepsodent Original is one of those legacy brands that has been around for generations, known for its old-school packaging and nostalgic marketing. But while it may evoke memories of simpler times, its formula is far behind modern dental standards. and that's exactly why many dentists recommend avoiding it. The ingredients rely heavily on outdated compounds, cheap fillers, and unnecessary additives that don't align with what today's oral health research suggests is safe or effective. One of the biggest concerns with Pepsodent is that many of its formulas do not contain fluoride in certain regions. Fluoride is one of the most proven and essential ingredients for preventing cavities, strengthening enamel, and protecting teeth from daily acid exposure. A toothpaste without fluoride is essentially providing you with a minty flavor and a bit of cleaning power, but almost no long-term protection. For families, children, or anyone prone to cavities, this is a serious drawback. Like many older toothpaste brands, Pepsodent uses calcium carbonate as its primary abrasive. Overall, Pepsodent Original might be a recognizable name, but its formula has not evolved with modern dental science. Without advanced enamel protection, cavity prevention, or gum health support, and with harsh abrasives and irritants instead, it's simply not a toothpaste you want to rely on for long-term oral care. Now that we've exposed the toothpaste brands that can potentially do more harm than good, whether through harsh whitening agents, excessive abrasives, or chemical additives, it's time to focus on healthier options. The good news is, not all toothpastes are dangerous. Some are carefully formulated to protect your teeth, gums, and overall oral health while avoiding unnecessary chemicals. Let's look at a couple of safe, effective alternatives that give you a clean, healthy smile without compromise. Healthy alternative number 1. Tom's of Maine Anti-Plaque and Whitening Toothpaste. Tom's of Maine has built a reputation as one of the safest toothpaste brands on the market, and their anti-plaque and whitening variety is a standout for anyone who wants to maintain oral health without exposing themselves to harsh chemicals. Unlike many conventional toothpastes, Tom's avoids artificial colors, flavors, and preservatives, and it contains no sodium lauryl sulfate, SLS, a foaming agent commonly found in mass-market brands that can irritate sensitive gums and cause mouth sores in some people. This toothpaste uses natural silica to gently polish teeth, helping remove surface stains without damaging enamel. The fluoride in Tom's is responsibly included to prevent cavities and strengthen enamel while avoiding excessive chemical additives. Its natural flavorings, derived from mint oils, give you a fresh taste without relying on synthetic compounds that can trigger allergies or sensitivities. In addition to whitening, Tom's anti-plaque formula helps prevent tartar buildup and supports overall oral hygiene. It's especially suitable for those with sensitive teeth or gums, as the gentle abrasives clean effectively without causing microabrasions or enamel erosion. Using this toothpaste daily gives you peace of mind knowing your teeth are being cleaned safely and naturally. Healthy alternative. Number 2. Hello Naturally Whitening Fluoride Toothpaste. For anyone searching for a toothpaste that's both effective and genuinely safe, Hello Naturally Whitening Fluoride Toothpaste is a standout choice. Unlike many conventional whitening toothpastes, which often rely on harsh chemicals, artificial dyes, and aggressive abrasives, Hello focuses on natural ingredients that protect your teeth and gums while delivering a bright, fresh smile. Its formula is completely free from sodium lauryl sulfate, SLS, artificial sweeteners, and preservatives, making it ideal for sensitive mouths or anyone who wants to avoid unnecessary chemicals. The toothpaste contains fluoride, which strengthens tooth enamel and helps prevent cavities, giving you all the essential protection of a conventional toothpaste without the harmful extras. For stain removal, Hello uses mild polishing agents derived from natural silica. These gently clean the surface of your teeth, helping to lift stains from coffee, tea, or daily foods without causing enamel erosion or gum irritation. This makes it a safe, long-term option for maintaining your smile naturally. Choosing Hello is a simple yet effective way to protect your smile and maintain long-term dental wellness without unnecessary risk. That wraps up our guide to toothpaste brands to avoid and the healthy alternatives you can trust. While many mainstream toothpastes promise whitening or advanced protection, they often contain harsh chemicals, synthetic foaming agents, and abrasive ingredients that can harm your teeth and gums over time. By switching to products like Tom's of Maine Anti-Plaque and Whitening or Hello Naturally Whitening Toothpaste, you're choosing safer, more natural options that clean effectively without unnecessary risk. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with friends and family who care about maintaining healthy teeth. Make sure to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, so you get regular updates on tips, product reviews, and guides that help you make safer, smarter choices every day. Don't forget to tap the bell icon to stay notified whenever we release a new video. Remember, your oral health is one of the foundations of overall wellness. Small changes like switching to a natural, chemical-free toothpaste can have a big long-term impact, protecting your enamel, gums, and smile. Choose your products wisely, maintain a consistent brushing routine, and enjoy the peace of mind that comes from knowing you're taking care of your teeth safely.